VLC Media Player allows us to convert video files from one format to another very easily. To do that, go Media, select this Convert Save option. Over here, click this plus button to add files you want to convert. I'll add my MP4 file. Now click on this drop-down menu and click Convert. Here in the Profile section, select format you want to convert to. Let's go with something standard like audio MP3. If you click this little wrench icon, you can set some options like video codec, audio codec, or subtitles. In the destination file, select where you want to save your converted file. Some people told me that you need to add an extension after you name the file, otherwise it won't work. It works for me both ways, so if you have problems, try to add an extension like MP3 if you are converting, for example, to MP3 format. Now just click Save and click Start to start the conversion process. After it's done, you can see that we successfully converted files with a VLC Media Player. And this is it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.